Hello friends, welcome to Spartans GRE. This question I have found in some GRE groups. So I have found many people answering this wrong and finding it difficult to solve this question. That's why I have posted the same question in our Spartans GRE Facebook group as well as in Spartans GRE Facebook page. So before solving this, looking this video further, try solving this question. Once you are done with it, continue the video. So let's get started. The question says S is the sum of the elements of X. X is a set of 10 consecutive positive integers. So whenever you are having some consecutive numbers or consecutive even or consecutive odd numbers, try to take numbers such that you have both negatives and positives, so that when we add all those numbers, suppose what I am saying is, if you are taking 3 consecutive numbers, you take x minus 1, x and x plus 1. So once you add them, this constant part will get cancelled. So that's why your sum will become easier to solve. So the same way, apply the same logic here. And in further videos, I will be telling about consecutive numbers as well. So don't worry about that. For now, let's focus on this problem. We have 10 positive integers. So I can assume my numbers as x minus 5, x minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 2. In exam, you need not write all these things, because once you are assuming this, you can just simply directly write x minus 5 to, you know these numbers, right? Here you have 5 numbers, this 6 number, and you will have 4 more numbers. So x plus 2, x plus 3 and x plus 4. These are your 10 consecutive numbers. Now, consecutive positive numbers. So if you add all these things, what will happen is, this 4 and 4 will get cancelled, all these things will get cancelled. Now you will have 10x, and this 5 won't get cancelled, right? So you will have 10x minus 5. So this is the sum of all the numbers. So what is this? S. That's what he is given, right? Let S be the sum of the elements. So sum we have got here, that is this one. Now smallest integer is what? X. Smallest integer is x. So this quantity B is x, right? Now quantity A, what is saying? S by 10. So this S we want in terms of x, because we are comparing x here, right? So take S. S means 10x minus 5 by 10 minus 5. This is 5, not S, okay? This is 5. So if you simplify this, you will get x minus right. So x minus 1 by 2 minus 5. This is what you will get here. So it will be x minus something. You need not simplify it further. Anyway, 2, 1, 11, right? 11. So this is what you are getting. Quantity A is x minus 11 by 2. Quantity B is x. So which one is greater? Obviously B is greater, because from x you are subtracting this one. Now let's do it in another way. Okay. Now instead of taking negatives, what I am now assuming is, my smallest number is x and my 10 numbers will be x plus 1, x plus 2 and so on till x plus 9. Now what will be the sum? Sum will be, here you will have 10x plus these numbers 1 to 9. If you are adding consecutive numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on till 9, do not add manually. We have a formula, you can go by formula way or another way, normal way. So first formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, which is 9 into 10, where n is number of terms. So 9 into 10 by 2, 45. The other way to get the sum is, you know, sum will be average into number of terms. This will be the thing, average into number of terms. What will be the average of consecutive numbers? You can take 1 plus 9 by 10 or 2 plus 8 by 10, okay, or 3 plus 7 by 10. So average will be 5. So 5 into number of terms is, here 9 terms are there, 5 into 9, it is 45. So sum you got as 45. So x plus 45, this is your sum. Now here the smallest number is what? Smallest number, quantity B we are talking about. Quantity B is x. Now quantity A, they said s by 10 minus 5. What is s here? 10x plus 45. So 10x plus 45 by 10 minus 5, which will be equal to x plus 4.5 minus 5. Right? Correct. So this will be x minus 4.5 minus 5, this will be 0.5, again x minus 0.5. Here also you are subtracting something from x. So obviously quantity B is greater than quantity A. So your answer will be B. So answer will be the B. Hope you liked it, and in further videos I will be telling about consecutive even terms, consecutive odd numbers, all these kind of problems we will be solving. So for now I will wind up the video. Please share this video and do like and subscribe. Thank you.